Welcome back. Now we're going to the third numerical in the second exercise of Introduction to Trigonometry. Question is, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, where a plus b is greater than 0 degrees but less than or equal to 90 degrees, and a greater than b, find a and b. So a value is greater than b. So you have to find a and b. Now tan a plus b is equal to root 3. When is what angle is of tan is the answer root 3. Tan 60 degrees, correct? So tan 60 degrees is root 3. I'll call this equation 1. Also, they're telling us tan a plus b is equal to root 3. We'll call this equation 2. So if I compare these two equations from 1 and 2, see, tan is there, root 3 is there, which means a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. I'll call this equation 3. So I got a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. Now I'll take the next set. Tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. For which angle is tan of that angle equal to 1 by root 3? 30 degrees, isn't it? So I know tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. I will call this equation 4. Also, they have given us tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. We'll call this equation 5. So now we'll compare 4 and 5. From 4 and 5. From 4 and 5, we have a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. We'll call this equation 6. Now look at these two equations. A plus b 60, a minus b 30. I can use equation 3 and equation 6. So I'll write them. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. If I add them, what will I get? A plus a, 2a. Then b will get cancelled. Is equal to 60 plus 30, 90 degrees. So what is A? A will become 45 degrees. So A we got. A is 45 degrees. Now you can substitute. Let's say you substitute in equation 3. So substitute in equation 3. If you substitute in 3, what will you get? 45 plus b is equal to 60. B is equal to 60 minus 45. Bring plus 45 on the other side, become minus 45. Or b is equal to 15 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 45 degrees and angle B is equal to 15 degrees. This is the answer. So first we saw for which angle you will get root 3. Of tan you will get root 3. So tan 60 degrees is root 3. Also tan A plus B is root 3. That is given in the question. Compare these two equations, you will get A plus B is 60. Then for which angle of tan is 1 by root 3? Tan 30 degrees is 1 by root 3. Also tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Compare these two, you will get A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Then just solve the two linear equations. A plus B is equal to 60, A minus B is equal to 30. Add them. B will get cancelled. 2A is equal to 90, A is 45. Substitute in any one equation. I substitute in equation 3. So 45 plus B is equal to 60. Plus 45 goes on the other side, become minus 45. So B is 15 degrees. So angle A is 45 degrees and angle B is 15 degrees.